step 1, define your goal. Ito ba in end use natin or rental? Pangalawang dapat gawin natin, know your budget. Ano yung kaya mong i-shell out and itabi at down payment mo. Talk to your agent and find out ano yung mga payment terms that are available. It should not exceed 30 to 40% of your income. So let's say 100,000 pesos ang income mo, your monthly payment, amortization mo should not go over 40% of your income. So it should not go over like 40,000, because if not, you really have to cut down on, a lot of things in your life. After the down payment with developer, then your monthly amortization sa bangko. Pangatlo naman, choose the right location. Gusto mo ba dun ka sa business district, BGC, Makati, Quezon City? That is where you can actually maximize the property price because you are in a high demand location. You also have to take a look at schools. Are they in area kung saan may mga educational institutions? And syempre, the transport services, MRT, LRT, Skyway. As they say, investing in real estate, take into consideration the location. It's the biggest driver of value. Number 4, pick the right developer. Trusted names. I'm proud to say that I work for the company Ayala Land and I represent all the 4 brands: Amaya Land, Avida Land, Alveo Land, Ayala Land Premier. With the international team, so I cover all the brands. Go with the trusted names because again, the potential is higher. You'll not be worrying about baka hindi ma-deliver yung project or yung unit ko, or baka may ibang nagmamayari, kasi in the past may mga ganong cases. It's not gonna happen here in Ayala Land. 5, choose the right property. Is it going to be a condo, house and lot? Pre-selling, ready for occupancy units. Pre-selling, of course, you have that flexibility for payment terms. Pag RFO, wala na masyado. RFOs, basically, you have to pay it in full before you can move in. And that is where you need an immediate bank loan. And then 6, study the numbers. Compute the monthly cash out, the monthly amortization, the monthly potential rental income. Ask your agent, ask your broker about how much is the monthly rental in that area. Well, in some cases, yung monthly rental niya halos nakapareho na doon sa magiging monthly amortization mo or monthly down payment mo, and that is sometimes okay because instead of you shelling out the money, especially after paying couple of years for your down payment and here's your unit now being turned over, pwede mo nang parentahan, and rental will be used now for paying the monthly amortization of your condo unit. So basically, you'll be asking yourself, kaya ko pa, ma-afford ko ba to?